नमस्ते दर्शकों, मैं हूं डॉक्टर पायल शाह और मैं 3 साल से कोर स्टूडियो चला रही हूं सूरत में, जो एक फ़िटनेस स्टूडियो है। आज विश्व योगा दिन मतलब इंटरनेशनल योगा डे, 6th इंटरनेशनल योगा डे पे मैं चैनल सूरत का थैंक यू कहना चाहती हूँ, जिन्होंने हमारे साथ जुड़कर लोगों में अवेयरनेस क्रिएट करने की कोशिश की कि हम कोरोना को फाइट करने के लिए क्या कर सकते हैं। अब फिटनेस कितना ज़रूरी है ये बताने की मुझे ज़रूरत नहीं, सभी जानते हैं कि कोई भी प्रकार की आप एक्सरसाइज करो तो वो आपका रेजिस्टेंस लेवल बढ़ाएगा ही, चाहे वो कोरोना हो या कोई भी और वायरस हो। तो बिकॉज इट इज़ इंटरनेशनल योगा डे, हम आज एक स्पेशल एक्सक्लूसिव योगा का सेशन रख रहे हैं सिर्फ आप दर्शकों के लिए, जो हमारी इन हाउस योगा ट्रेनर है केयूरी जैन, जो आपको बताने वाली है कि कोरोना या फिर अपनी रेजिस्टेंस बढ़ाने के लिए, या कोरोना हो या कोई भी वायरस हो, उसके लिए कौन सी एक्सरसाइजेस, कौन से आसन करने चाहिए। तो फिर हमारे साथ जुड़े रहिए और मैं आपको इंट्रोड्यूस करती हूँ केयूरी जैन के साथ।
Hello everyone, we are starting in 1 minute, so let's grab your mats and go with the flow. So let's begin with the breathing first. Today's all the asanas will be basically to fight corona. We all know that the situation going on right now, so our health is very important. Immunity should be very much strong. So let's back up and start with it. You can sit in Vajrasana. Make sure your back is completely straight and aligned nicely. Hands on your knees, and you start with a deep inhale. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Lock your hands back. Inhale over here. While exhaling, you bend yourself forward and you raise your hands up towards the ceiling. Breathe in and breathe out. Take your hands as much as up you can. Try to touch the floor from your forehead. Try to hold your breath for 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Now slowly come up. Breathe in. Let your hands go down very slowly and your back up straight. Let's repeat this one more time. Breathe in and breathe out. Slowly exhale, slightly go down. People who cannot go and touch the floor can at least try halfway and hold it for 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Breathe in. Come back slowly up. And 12 repetitions in a one circular motion. 7, 8, 9 and 10. Let's do it reverse. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Let's stretch our hands and elbows and shoulders. Keep your one hand on your elbow like this and you stretch it lower without bending like this, keeping your back straight, just stretching your armpits, shoulders and elbows. Relax. Switch on the other side. Breathe in and breathe out. Make sure your neck is straight. It is not bending anywhere. Keeping your elbows pointed up towards the ceiling and stretching it lower. Relax. Give soft pulses. Do not stretch in one shot. On the other side, keep breathing. Inhale and exhale. Back straight and relax. Just mobilize your wrist once, as we are going to get on our wrist soon. Fingers open and close and some wrist rotation. Alright. On your palms, facing dog. Stretch your spine nicely. Make sure your heels are down, touching on the floor. If you are not able to stretch the whole legs, you can always bend your knees slightly. From here, we lift our one leg up for 3-leg downward dog. Adjust your position and gently lift one leg up, point your toes nicely and let it go up nicely. Maybe till here, or you can stretch yourself. Gently down. On the other side, breathe in. And breathe out. On the other side again, breathe in. Then and breathe out. From here, walk back towards your feet. Try to touch your head inside towards your knees. Hinge your back. Join your elbows and grab them. Turn slightly towards your left. Get a stretch on your spine and your hips. Turn towards the left. And from here, gently come up. Breathe in. And breathe out. Your fingers like this. Lock them nicely. Place it on your head like this. Make sure your body is completely straight, your legs are parallel to each other. From here, just lift your heels ceiling. Yes, let's do it. Again, with breathing. Tuck your tummy nicely, glutes that point. And exhale. Again, we need to focus nicely over here. Focus on one point and gently raise both your hands up. Join your palms together. And we need to balance and focus. Again, ears touching on my shoulders. People who are not able to manage balancing individually can take the support of the wall or a chair and release. Lovely. Now, on the other side we do it. Gently taking one leg up, the left leg, placing it on the right thigh. Try to balance and then going up with your hands. Joining the palms together, feeling the stretch in the arms, fingers and shoulders by pulling it up towards the ceiling. And trying to balance more and more. Trying to get the same balance in your mind and releasing the posture gently down and exhaling.